Welcome back. In the previous video, I messed up. Originally, I was going to install these programs, and I thought the suggested programs were ones that were part of the dependencies because I didn't read correctly. These are the packages that were suggested on the previous installations. So I'm going to go ahead and install these. I'm not installing all the suggested ones, just ones that I think are going to be useful. First things first, let's go ahead and make sure that the apt repository is updated. I discovered this when I went to go run GDB and realized that it's not on the system. Also tried to find the man pages for Make. I did have to install those, and the man pages for GCC. So let's start with some of the docs. We'll do binutil doc, docker, doc, fontforge, doc. I want to use autoconf or autoconfig. I also want to use automake. libtool has some utilities I want to use. I already mentioned GDB. libc, devtools, cmake, doc. Missed that one. Want to use git because I do need to set up some git repositories. And then the rest of these. Potrace, or potrace, however you want to pronounce it, is a utility to convert raster images to vector images. It's probably suggested as part of FontForge because it's not really a development tool. And we'll do a video on raster versus vector in the future. So these are more suggested packages. A lot of these are the tool system. I'm going to make a note of these and install these in the future. What I'm installing right now is only going to take up, well, the download size is 58 megs and 230 megs once it's installed. So those are installed now. So if I tried to run GDB, it runs. If I run git, it should run. It gets installed. Git is installed. That's the main ones. That everything else is sort of a package or some other thing. Yeah, not sure how that works. It does have a man page. Again, I'll play with that in the future. If you have any other packages you think I should install, go ahead and throw that in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. You have a great day.